What would you do if your work was used without your permission? Imagine you're a photographer and you've just discovered one of your picturesque landscapes adorning a company's website. No credit, no permission asked, no payment. You're left standing in shock, your heartbeat resonating with the injustice. Welcome to the world of copyright violation, a world that is sadly all too familiar for many creatives. Our protagonist, an avid landscape photographer, woke up to a regular Tuesday morning. Over a cup of steaming coffee, he decided to browse the web, a routine that soon turned into a nightmare. He stumbled upon a company's website, and there it was, his breathtaking capture of the sunrise over Grand Canyon, used as a banner image. The sight was both a surprise and a stab in the back. The initial shock quickly turned into frustration. His masterpiece was out there, being used without his consent. He remembered the cold early morning when he had hiked to the perfect spot, the patience he had practiced waiting for the right light, the thrill of capturing the perfect shot. All those efforts now exploited. But he wasn't one to back down. He knew his rights. Photography is not just about clicking a button. It's about capturing a moment, a vision, and that vision is protected by copyright law. The moment he pressed the shutter, the image became his intellectual property. So he decided to take action. He reached out to a copyright lawyer, explained the situation, and provided evidence. The original image file, the date it was taken, and proof of the image's existence on his photography website before it was used by the company. The company was taken aback when they received a cease and desist letter. They had been unaware of the violation, having outsourced their web design. Ignorance, however, is no excuse in the eyes of the law. They promptly removed the image and reached out to the photographer to negotiate a settlement. The ordeal was stressful, no doubt, but it also served as a reminder that in this digital age, it's easy for one's work to be used without permission, but it's equally possible to fight for one's rights. So, what happened to our photographer? He continued to capture the beauty of the world, but with a newfound awareness. He started watermarking his images and registering his work, a small step that could save him from future copyright violations. To recap, our photographer found his work being used without his permission, sought legal help, and eventually got justice. This story is a reminder that in the world of art, copyright violation is a real issue. It's a call for all artists to be vigilant, to protect their work, and to not be afraid to stand up for their rights. Remember, your work is your own. It's the product of your vision, your creativity, and your hard work. And that's worth fighting for.